Hi, just wanted to share my experience. I came to the assembly for the first time. A friend of mine brought me here and I was interested in learning more about the Internet of Things. And it was a really cool occasion. Got the opportunity to meet a lot of people very knowledgeable about the issue and got to network and got to gain some basic skills and some technical knowledge. This has been a great workshop, very interesting. Access is free and it's been sponsored in collaboration with Etisalat Digital. And I think this kind of initiatives should be repeated and I really encourage people to come and join for the next time.